As more homes are built in the wildland-urban interface, experts have advice for homeowners on protecting their property from wildfires. Aspen Shumpert takes us to the National Interagency Fire Center ahead of Wildfire Awareness Month.
As Wildfire Awareness Month approaches, today we heard from experts about what you can do to keep your home safe from wildfires. The team over at the National Interagency Fire Center in Boise brought over 80 public policymakers and insurance commissioners from western states to discuss how to prepare for wildfires. Engineers from the Insurance Institute for Business and Home Safety in South Carolina has a facility where they can create scenarios of wildfire embers and flames approaching and then destroying homes. They study what happens if they move something away or switch out materials. The engineers shared with the room what works.
There are 3 key features based on science that homeowners can absolutely do.
Cope says those are having a Class A roof, flame-resistant vents and fencing, and moving any landscape at least 5 feet away from your home. If you don't do any of those things, your home could go up in flames.
Make sure you understand those points of potential failure around your home.
Today, we saw a live demonstration of an unprepared home not survive.
The 2 homes behind me were both saw the same exposure. One of them is now burned to the ground and the other one is standing strong.
Fire marshals built 2 different homes for the demo, one with wildfire prepared materials, the other without. The wildfire prepared house has non-combustible siding. Its landscaping is at least 5 feet away from the home with a solid path barrier between the 2. The fence attached to the home is also made of metal. The home that burnt down next to it, its landscaping butts up against the home and has a wooden fence. Both caught on fire and spread to the house, causing complete destruction.
Just moving the landscaping away from the house can significantly reduce your risk.
Getting a new roof and switching materials on your home might not be immediately possible before this summer. Cope says start by moving your flowers and bushes away. Or, for those with wooden fences, you don't have to replace your whole fence, but changing the fence material directly connected to your house is also a start.
We are not powerless. There are absolutely things that we can do today to reduce the risk of wildland fire coming into our neighborhoods.
If you want to take prevention even further, upgrade your deck, door, and window materials, and move any additional buildings or structures on your property at least 30 feet away from your main home, Cope suggests. IBHS's CEO, Roy Wright, says he's had family members lose their homes to wildfires. He says survival materials are key. At NIFC, I'm Aspen Shumpert, Idaho's News Channel 7.
And Governor Brad Little was also there today, declaring May Wildfire Awareness Month just before that demonstration started.